So what I can say, guys, it works amazing. You can see how bright this RGB is. Hello guys, I just finished installation of this Flex RGB or ARGB extension cables into my PC, and I want to share with you result of my work and process. Also, for me it was not simple. I'm not an expert in PC building, so if you are also kind of rather new to this area, this video will be useful for you. So first of all, this is a TechWare Flex RGB extension cables, and this pack is coming with two of them. One is for 24 pin and another for 8 pin. But please be careful with understanding what does it mean. This is not actually cables. You cannot connect with this cable anything. It's a cover for your existing cables, so you can put them on top of your cables inside your PC and they will shine in your case. So what is important and what was not trivial for me is that this ARGB extension cables you should connect using 3-pin 5-volt connector, right? And depends on your motherboard, it could be different options. Today I will show you how I did this with my MCI motherboard, right? And I'm sure in 99 cases it will be the same for you, but with some nuances, obviously. So first of all, what I did, I removed my existing cooler on the top side, and I found this connection, and this connection is called ARGB header on the motherboard, and sometimes it's labeled with JRGB1, JRGB2, as it was in my case, or something similar. Then I found this RGB1 and RGB2 connectors on my motherboard and connect this extension cables to it, right? Obviously you need to find a way to hide the wires to keep the internal space of your PC case is clean and neat. You will have some spare part together with these cables to be able to attach from the back side and stick together this RGB cover and cable itself, right? In my case I need only one, but you may need more. So I use the short one but wide on the top side of my case, and the long one I use with my graphic card to hide the wires which is coming from graphic card to the motherboard. And now you can see how this cables looks like and connected to the motherboard without switching on the PC. So you see it's pretty nice organized, nothing I mean no wires left, everything hidden under other parts of the PC. And let's switch it on, let's see how it works. So what I can say, guys, it works amazing. You can see how bright this RGB is, you can see how it works, you can see how it looks, and it was not straightforward for me, but if you are more experienced person in custom gaming PC builds or building for yourself, it will be very easy for you. And for me, like next time, second time, it also will be very easy. You need just to Google it how to do it, or you need to see my video about it, right? But let's finish our build. Let's close the transparent lid or door what I have with my case, right? And let's see for the final result. Okay guys, so what do you think about the final result? My personal opinion that it's amazing, and take into account how budget these cables and how easy, if you know what to do, to install them, and you don't need anything special. Most probably you have all the ports on your motherboard, so you need just to insert them, organize cables, and that's all. And then you can manage the colors or patterns or anything of this. So if you're looking for these cables, just please check the link in the description under this video. It will be the link for like main website of this brand or for Amazon, what is closer for you. And if you're gonna to buy these cables, you can use my links, so in this way you will support my channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.